Hey guys, this is Danny McDonough with Mixsyn Equipment, and today I'm going to be giving you an overview of our EP-100 and LP-100 spray foam proportioners. These machines are designed to operate at low pressure. They're also designed to produce the same amount of yield a high pressure unit would at a fraction of the cost. One of the nice things about our units is that they're both going to plug directly into standard 120 volt AC outlets. They're going to draw roughly 5 to 15 amps depending on your desired hose length. Both units are going to come standard with 50 feet of heated insulated hose. The EP-100, which is our base economy unit, you can bump up to 100 feet of heated insulated hose. The LP-100, you can bump up from 50 feet to 150 feet of heated insulated hose if that's what you desire. Both machines are going to process open cell foams, closed cell foams, 2.5, 3 pound roofing foams, polyurea coatings like truck bed liners, packaging foams, you name it. We've been designing and manufacturing low pressure equipment for 15, 20 plus years. We have yet to run into a 1/2 pound, 2 pound, 3 pound foam that these machines won't process. Another nice thing about our equipment is our spray gun. Our spray gun is easy to use, easy to maintain and rebuild. We have all the parts in-house for this gun. It's going to use larger orifices than the high pressure machine. So larger orifices, lower pressure is going to be the equivalent to lower processing temps on your foam. So lower processing temps means lower operating costs, which is always a good thing. So diving straight into the equipment, our EP-100, as stated before, is our base economy model. This is a fixed ratio unit. It's rated at 8 pounds per minute. It's going to come standard with a 1-horse AC motor, high output precision pumps. Our pumps are rebuildable. We sell rebuild kits for all of our pumps. Pressure gauges, an overpressurized system. Looking at the front of the box, we kept things simple. It's got a VFD control pad so you can kind of control and regulate the output of the machine. It's got nice handles to transport. This machine comes in at a whopping 92 pounds, so you can load it into a box van, into a pickup truck, take to the job site. Really an ideal machine for smaller jobs. So if you got rim joist applications, attics, subfloors, any wall stud insulation, shipping containers, tiny homes, maybe you built a 2,000, 3,000 square foot shop or home, you're looking at getting into spray foam and you don't want to break the bank, the EP-100 can fit the bill for you. So moving on from the EP-100, we got the LP-100, also known as the Lil Pup spray foam machine. We're the original designer and manufacturer of the Lil Pup. We've been building this machine for, like I said, close to 15 years. It's a variable ratio machine, so it's going to have a little bit more adjustability than the EP-100. It's also going to have a little bit more output. So where this is an 8 pound per minute machine, the LP-100 is going to be closer to a 10 to 12 pound per minute machine. Variable ratio, so you'll see the potentiometers on the front of the box. You can adjust your ratio quite easily. Above that, you're going to see a digital hose controller, so you can regulate your hose heat temp. Yeah, once again, just a kind of a workhorse machine. It's been our flagship model for a very long time. I want to say we've sold close to 1,000 units in the last 10 to 15 years. And we've had a lot of success with that machine. So both machines are going to come with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. They're both manufactured right here in the United States. We're located in Central Oregon. We've been in business for over 30 years. We've been specializing in low pressure equipment the entire time. So if you guys got any questions, if you'd like to get a quote or just inquire a little bit more about our machines, feel free to call us. I'll have all of our contact information below. You can also find us on our website, www.mixsyn.com. So check out the website. There's a contact us page. We got all the information on the EP-100, the LP-100. We even have some information on our higher output machine, the BP-200, which is a 20 to 25 pound per minute, high output, low pressure machine. I'll be doing some videos on that here in the future, along with some spray videos and a whole bunch of other stuff. So appreciate your time, guys. Danny McDonough with Mixsyn Equipment. Thank you.